Members of the Scientific Committee to Combat COVID-19 say health authorities are currently making an inventory of the quantities of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, which will be destroyed in Tunisia.
Following the WHO and the US Food and Drug Administration warning, we decided to suspend the use of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. We did not suspend its authorization. This will not affect the vaccination campaign because we have other alternatives in Tunisia, which are the Pfizer, Moderna, Sinovac and Sputnik vaccines.
Experts say the Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine poses a rare but serious risk of blood clots in people who received the jab. Hossam is a Johnson & Johnson vaccine recipient. He is concerned about the reported potential side effects as well as long-term health complications resulting from the shot.
People are terrified and they do not understand what's happening following many recent reports on health complications caused by the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. I attempted to get vaccinated to preserve public health and to save lives, and also not to put my own life at risk.
Some public health officials believe that suspending the use of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine may fuel vaccine hesitancy in the North African country.
It's true that the Johnson & Johnson vaccine can cause rare but serious blood clotting, but it's only 3 cases for 1 million people. Of these 3 cases, only 1 individual out of 2 million can die of this side effect. This is extremely limited if we compare it to the coronavirus death rate. The government's mismanagement of the situation will lead to more vaccine hesitancy.
More than 6.5 million Tunisians have received their full vaccine doses, and more than 1.3 million have received a third dose. Over 36,000 individuals even got a 4th booster shot. Tunisia has recorded more than 28,575 COVID-related deaths since the outbreak of the pandemic in the country in March 2020. Some experts argue that health authorities in Tunisia could be overreacting to concerns raised about the safety of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, but the health ministry says it's protecting public health. The health situation in the country is stable, but the scientific committee is closely monitoring that, following the recent wave of COVID infections reported in different parts of the world. Adnen Chaouachi, CGTN, Tunis.